In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to day trade stocks on Robinhood using their website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your trading skills, this guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to understand. First, let's begin by signing into your Robinhood account. Make sure you're on the official Robinhood website and log in using your secure credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard, where you can view your portfolio, the current balance, and market data. Next, it's time to find a stock you want to day trade. At the top of the dashboard, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in trading. Robinhood will provide suggestions as you type, so you can easily find the stock you're looking for. Click on the stock from the search results to open its details page. Here, you'll see important information such as the current price, historical data, charts, and recent news. Take a moment to review this information to ensure you're comfortable proceeding with your selected stock. Now, you're ready to initiate your buy order. On the right side of the stocks page, you'll find the trade button. Click on trade and then choose buy. This brings up a form where you can begin setting up your order. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase, keeping in mind your available funds and your personal trading strategy. Next, it's important to select your order type. You can select either a market order, which will buy the shares at the current market price, or a limit order, where you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay per share. If you opt for a limit order, enter your desired price. Choosing the right order type can help you control how and when your order is filled. After you've reviewed all your selections, click on the review button to double-check your order details. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Submit to complete your purchase. Now comes the crucial part, monitoring the stock's price throughout the day. Keep an eye on market fluctuations and any news that might impact your stock's value. Watching price movements closely will help you make an informed decision about when to sell. When you decide it's time to sell, return to your chosen stock's details page. Again, click on the trade button, but this time select Sell. Enter the number of shares you wish to sell, choose your order type, just as you did when buying, and click Review to confirm the information. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Submit to place your sell order and complete the trade. Congratulations, you've now finished a full round-trip day trade using Robinhood's website. Always remember to practice responsible trading, review your transactions, and keep learning to improve your success in the market. Thanks for watching and happy trading.